To create a beautiful piece of art to hang in your nursery with the colors of your babies.
Okay.
And then we will reveal it to everyone.
Okay. Sorry, sorry, what am I holding?
No, I'll hold your cup. You just take the paintbrush.
Oh.
Okay.
Right here, Corey.
Here you go. What am I supposed to be painting?
Well, you're painting
just
for a
paint
minute,
all
so
over.
just paint some pretty pictures here.
Okay.
Here's some more paint. Don't paint me, please. It's my new
Trying
outfit.
not to.
Corey is quite a nice.
Okay, go over by Corey a little bit so we can
This
have a
way?
little color happening.
Mix it in.
Where Corey's at? How are we
Okay,
doing?
and some more. Good. This is looking nice. Corey, you're not on the.
Okay, here.
Here,
Like a
here, take some more.
Okay.
first. Corey's.
Yeah.
Oh, this way. Okay.
There we go.
Corey, bigger strokes. No.
Okay, well, help his hand a little bit here. Oh, that's so nice. Yeah.
Just keep going in those same motions.
Okay.
Okay, well, maybe we just put this in the closet
Did we
later.
do-
but-
Well, technically, that's where the babies are going for a while.
Okay, here.
Okay.
Okay, Corey. Corey, no blotches. What are you doing?
He's making a smiley face.
I was trying to actually draw.
Okay, put it back in your bowl. Okay, take your blindfolds off.
Can we see the picture?
As long as they're healthy, I guess it could be two boys. Aww.
Two boys.
Boys, Connor.
Boys, Connor.
You're having brothers.
Did you want some more brothers? Oh, we just want healthy babies.
Okay, so now if you guys want to grab